I got something. I found this puppy on the roadside. This puppy here. Hello. I'm naming him Kaliba because I found it on the left side of the road. So as I was walking, doing my afternoon walk this afternoon, just now, like 2 minutes ago, someone throw this puppy away on the roadside. Now I've been seeing Filipino throwing cats away. You know, they put it in the bag and tie the plastic. But weirdly today I found this adorable little thing. I found this puppy on the roadside. Oh God, I love him so much. Oh, hello. Say hi to the world. So someone dropped this puppy off because when I was walking down, I didn't see the puppy. And then when I walked up again, I saw the puppy was just like barking on the side, like giving these cute noises. And then I found it and I love it so much. Oh my God. You know what, the first thing when I saw this puppy, I thought of Paisley. Oh, sorry, you're shaking. Paisley would have loved this puppy. Oh, this is the best finding ever. I find it like, what up? Oh. I have found a lot of things here in the Philippines, like money, and while walking those roads. Anyway, this is my best ever finding. I have found, like, when I was walking on the road for these past years, every afternoon I walk, I found, like, I think the highest is 500 pesos. And then the rest is in between. But today I found a bundle of joy. Hello, John. What's up? Did someone left you on the road? Yes, they did. Yes, they did. And I found you. Yeah, anyway, so the saddest part about this is that I'm not gonna keep it. No, I didn't mean that. Sorry. I cannot keep it. Because the reason is I'm here in the Philippines and I'll be leaving by the end of the year or maybe mid next year. So I don't want to keep this puppy. Because, you know, if I go, then it will be all sad for me and I don't want to be like heartbroken. Oh my God. So I'm giving it away to Ate Sila. I'm gonna go ask Ate Sila, the Sari-Saro, if she can take this puppy and then look after it because I can't. I would love to, but just the hard part is leave behind and going back home to PNG. It will be the most heartbreaking thing ever. So I didn't record where I got it, so I have to come here and film it, and then I'll go and bring this to Atesila and she gotta look after it. Oh, she's shaking. See, it's just a puppy. Anyway, I'm gonna go leave this at Atesila, and then I'm gonna go show you guys where I found the puppy. Say bye. Oh, the greatest find. This is like the best OG find of my life. Lick it. Okay, it's time to go leave you now. Let's go. I know. I didn't mean for good measures, okay? I can't keep you. I have to go leave you, okay? Don't be upset. I have to go leave you because if I keep you and then when it's time for me to go home back to my country, it will be heartbreaking for me. Okay? I'm gonna go leave you. Wait, I have an idea. I got an idea. Instead of giving it to Atesila, instead of giving it to Atesila, I'm gonna ask my neighbor if they want to keep it. Hello, sir. I found this puppy on the highway. If you guys want to keep it, I can't keep it because I have to go home. Also. I want to keep it, but I'm leaving soon. So if I keep it, it's okay. I'll ask the Tesila.
I have no time.
Yeah. So our neighbor said, no, it's okay. I'll go to Atesila. Ate, sorry, I found a puppy on the highway, on the road, but I can't keep it. Can you give it to someone?
Wait lang.
Okay.
I talk to my husband first. Sa tingin mo, astal to?
Hindi.
Oo, napulot niya. Hindi daw niya kayang i-take care if you want daw.
Oh, ang ganda.
Ha? Siguro nga.
Ang ganda tuta.
Baka gagatasin pa yan.
Yeah? Okay.
Oh, thank you.
Gagatasan pa yan.
Oo.
Anyway, good news is that I found a puppy, a place, a family, which is good news. Atesila and the husband took it, so that's my Atesila. I go there, the sari-sari store. But anyway, good news is that they took the puppy, so the puppy has found a home. Thank you. I mean, it's really, really heartbreaking that I want to really keep the puppy, but I cannot. So anyway, I just want to go down and show you guys where I found the puppy. This is the Manila Tagalia Road. I found the puppy here. Here. This is where I found the puppy. You see all this? So that means he has been here all this time, sleeping here. Nobody actually bothered to see it, because when I found him, he was actually crawling out of the road. He was crawling out here. That's where I able to see. So you can see that this patch here. So he has been sleeping here for the whole day, I think, and nobody actually noticed it, because people run here every afternoon and nobody notices. Nobody noticed the dog. So I think when he started crawling out here to here, that's where I found it. So at least you have a nice home to stay. So anyway, see you on the next one.